Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make coconut dumpling in butter sauce, right? So in my mixing bowl here, I already have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have some thinly sliced green sweet pepper and red sweet pepper, like a mixture. I have some salt, maybe about half a teaspoon of salt. I have, excuse me, sorry about that. I have about half a cup of grated coconut. This is basically with all the milk, mostly all of the coconut milk being squeezed out of it. So just a dry grated coconut milk, that I have here, and I'm going to season the sauce with some garlic and parsley, dry seasoning. I love this stuff, and I have some complete seasoning and everything. Right, and of course we need some butter to make the sauce, and I'm going to use some coconut oil to start frying up the vegetables. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the salt to, I'm going to make the dumplings. I'm going to add the salt to the flour, and I'm going to add the grated coconut, and we will need some water to combine this dough to make combine these dry ingredients to make a dough. So let's get to doing that. So I'm just going to mix these ingredients together quickly. Then I'm going to add the water to make a dough. I think I put about a quarter cup of water, but just add enough water so that you could make these put this you could fold this dry ingredients into a dough. I'm fumbling with my words today. So here's my dough all done. What I like to do, I like to let it rest for a few minutes. So let's say you're now doing this, you could do the flour first for your dumplings, and then you could go ahead and prep the vegetables. In the meantime, while you're prepping the vegetables, the dough will have a chance to rest. Okay, so here's my dough. I kneaded it again, and now I'm going to separate it into balls and then shape them into dumpling shape like. So about this size should be good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be enough for my husband and I. So next thing, what you could do, you could add, if you want, if the dough is a bit too sticky still, you could add a little bit of dry flour. I'm going to do that now, and to form these balls into like a flat, this shape like. Just simply flat it out like that. That's a nice shape. This is how I do them. I used to do it differently. My mom taught me differently, and when I met my husband's mother, she came here one year and she was laughing at my dumplings. I think I mentioned this story in another video, and she was laughing at my dumplings. She said it looked like tongues. I'll show you how I used to make them, and then she showed me how she's making it in St. Vincent. So this is how I've been making them now ever since, like this. So in Trinidad, how my mom taught me, we kind of like roll it out like this, a shape like this. Like about so, and just basically just press our finger up, put a little more flour on this one, and just press a finger like this, spread it out. And this is my dumpling right there. This is how I used to do it before. I haven't done this in a long while. So I'll finish folding out these, and then I'll show you what the next step. What I will do, I'll have to put some water to boil, and when the waters come to boil, I'll put these dumplings into the boiling water. Okay, so here's my pot of water on the stove boiling. So I'm just going to add, of course, you're going to add the dumplings when the water comes to a boil. So I'm just going to drop in the dumplings now. I like to allow these dumplings to cook a little longer. I'll let it boil for like about 5 minutes because of the coconut. If it was regular dumplings, I'll probably let it boil for like about 2-3 minutes and then I'll take off the stove. But again, because of the coconut, I like the coconut to fully cook before. I like the coconut to cook well, to cook properly. Now that your dumplings are all done, I'm going to put them in the saucepan with the sweet pepper, the onion. Okay, so here's my frying pan on the stove. I already added some coconut oil to it. I'm just going to make sure it covers the bottom of my pot. Alright. I'm going to add the onion. Now I'm going to add the sweet peppers. And we're going to season with a bit of the complete seasoning. You can use any kind of seasoning that you want, eh? I just like this seasoning. I just want to keep it nice and simple. Just enough to taste. And this is the garlic and the parsley I'm going to put again here. The complete seasoning has salt, so I'm not going to add any salt to this. But of course, I'll have to taste to make sure. I'll let these vegetables cook properly. I love this abundance of color in my food. Now I'm going to add some butter. About 2 scoops like that. That looks like enough. I wouldn't add too much butter to it. This is so simple. My husband likes this sort of simple meals. As you guys know, you hear me talk about before, he's a very simple eater. Lots of things he doesn't eat. You have to try and be very creative with things that you like to eat. He doesn't like chicken and beef and pork. Like, I will eat those things, trust me. Sometimes, but not all the time. Okay. Everything is coming together now. But I'll add a small bit of water and allow this to simmer. Then we'll add the dumplings. So I added a bit of water. And like I said, I'll allow this to simmer for a bit. Let the vegetables cook properly. And then we're going to add the dumplings. Let me give this a quick taste to see if it's to my liking. I'm not going to put any pepper today. Perfect. Just right. Just right. This is going to be so good, guys. So good. Just basically put the sauce, pour the sauce over the dumplings. Let it absorb all that flavor from the sweet peppers and stuff. And that's all, you know. That's all there is to it. This is quite flavorful, you wouldn't imagine. So I'm going to cover my pot and allow this to simmer for like about 2 minutes. For final touch, I'm going to garnish this with some chopped up celery. And this is all done. Okay folks, so here's my coconut dumpling and butter sauce. Guys, this is really good. This is really good. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And when you click on the subscribe button, also click on the button that is click on the bell that is next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification letting you know that I upload a new video. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.